Ceftriaxone injections must not be mixed or administered concurrently with calcium-containing intravenous fluids, such as ringers or Hartmann solutions, due to the risk of forming potentially fatal precipitates. This interaction can lead to dangerous foam or white precipitate formation, posing life-threatening risks, especially for newborns. The FDA and manufacturer have highlighted this concern, emphasizing that simultaneous administration, even via separate infusion lines, or sequential use within a short time frame should be avoided. Studies have shown that while adults may tolerate staggered administration, neonates are particularly vulnerable to pulmonary or intravascular complications from ceftriaxone-calcium complexes. Hospitals have implemented real-time detection systems to prevent such interactions in patients receiving total parenteral nutrition with calcium supplements. Although rare, clinical cases of embolism and fatalities linked to this combination reinforce the importance of adhering to revised guidelines for safe administration practices.